The Pro S spray with stop flow feature is designed to stop the flow of water should the nozzle become damaged or removed. The filter, in its normal position, pushes the stop flow valve down and lets the water flow. As water enters the Pro S spray body, the stop flow valve is lifted by the water flow, but stops at the bottom of the filter surface. The water continues to flow around the valve and up to the nozzle. As water enters the spray body, the riser moves up and the stop flow valve is lifted. The spring fully compresses and allows the unit to spray in its normal function. Should the nozzle get damaged or removed, the stop flow valve closes off the water path by sitting in the bottom of the stop flow body surface. Water flow is stopped. When a new nozzle and filter basket are inserted, the filter pushes down on the stop flow valve and allows the spray to begin to operate again normally. The Pro S spray with stop flow from K-Rain. Saving water, saving money, saving time.